Hello, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax here in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to take you guys through a beautiful new listing. We have a 2025 Boston Whaler 35 Realm, literally in about as close to new condition as you can get. Sitting here in the water here at MarineMax Stuart. This boat's always been lift kept, so no bottom paint whatsoever. Steel blue painted hull with a black boot stripe, very sharp looking color contrast. Up on the hardtop we have an open ray radar, spotlight, and the paddleboard rack. On the back we have the triple 400 V10 Mercs with joystick, sitting right at 100 engine hours. We'll walk around to the other side and hop on to go through some of the features. Again, standing here in the back, we have the triple 400 Merc V10s. The boat runs amazing with this power package, sitting at 100 engine hours. We do have the Reverso engine flush, single point hookup. It'll flush all three of our engines basically at the same time. Stepping into the boat, easy access. Look how great of a job Whaler did. We have a grab handle with steps leading into the boat. We do have the power sunshade up on top that extends back. Engine cowlings are in perfect shape. Pull out bench sheet here along the back that you can see more in detail in the photographs, with the dive ladder built in that pops out just like that. And then we do have the option for opposing seating just on the other side, which gives you a pretty awesome setup facing each other. Full summer kitchen on this 35 Realm with the electric grill, generator, and seakeeper. Port side dive door over on this side. Moving forward, one thing Whaler did an amazing job of is creating a big hardtop, providing a lot of shade with 2 rows of seating that face forward. So your passengers and the captain could both be protected. We have the teak package as well. Really makes the boat pop nicely. Refrigerator here at the helm. Teak package here at the helm as well. Mercury joystick with your skyhook and autopilot capability. Seakeeper, electronic switching on your Simrads, and a big windshield for protection from the elements. Moving forward, you're greeted with a really spacious bow, plenty of seating for friends and family. Up forward you have a nice seat, and then just behind it we have a big forward lounger with several armrests going across. This boat does not have a table, which is quite nice. It really opens up the bow space, providing easier access up to the bow and the seats, and also your windlass anchor. Again, this is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax in Stuart. This is a 2025 Boston Whaler 350 Realm listed here at MarineMax. Would love to show you the boat or answer any of your questions. Feel free to give me a call at 561-635-6811. Thank you for watching.